Check 1 2, check 1 2. How's that right there? Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be talking about the DJI mic, my first impressions using this on a recent video shoot. And if you want my quick final thoughts, it's pretty awesome. So let's break down my top favorite features and get into it right now. Man, it feels good to be recording videos in this setup again. It's been too long. I'm also wearing a hoodie because it's fall now, but in Texas that just means it's actually like 85 degrees out right now. So the first thing I want to talk about is how streamlined the recording process is with the DJI mic. Now before getting into that, why don't I explain my previous audio setup. This right here is the Tascam DR10L. So this is what I use whenever I have to use some sort of lav setup that isn't this boom mic. This works really great for when I did a lot of wedding videos, like recording vows, reading love letters, things like that. But the thing that I don't like about this one, and others might, is you can't record directly to your camera's audio. So if you're filming a video clip, you're gonna have to sync it up in post because it's gonna record to this recorder. So the process is really easy, but it's a pain when you have to do multiple clips. Now the audio quality of this is great, and so that's why it's kept me so long from finding some other solution until now. So the great thing about the DJI mic is it gives you two options where you can record directly to this, or put this on your camera's hot shoe, plug this in, and you're gonna have pro audio sync to it already. So now let me show you how easy this process is. You would literally take out one of the transmitters, put it on your subject, put this on your camera. All you have to do is make sure that your levels are correct, which is great because you have that flexibility on here and in camera. So you can really fine tune and make sure you don't get any clipping or it's too low or anything like that. Next up, let's talk about the audio quality. As you saw in the intro, it sounds pretty good, especially once you do a little bit of processing with it.
Hi, welcome to the Katie office of Majestic Title. We are located inside the Dillon CPA building complex. Hi. Welcome to the Katie office of Majestic Title. We are located inside the Dillon CPA building complex, conveniently located near 99 and I-10.
So here's one of my favorite things you can do with this mic. You can put it on you. You can just clip it onto your talent like so, and you're good to go. Audio sounds probably pretty good. Now, if you wanted to hide this, because one thing I did notice is it's pretty, noticeable, especially this green flashing light. Check this out. This right here is a magnet. I know the audio sounds crazy because I'm holding it, sorry. So what you can do is place it under your subject, put this right there, and now it's completely hidden. You can't really even tell, especially if your talent is wearing, different clothing. It might look like it's even part of the design of it. And just like that, it's completely hidden and it sounds really good. So even if I go way over here, it's gonna sound the same because it's not based on distance like my boom mic, which is pretty awesome. And then one of my other favorite features is the fact that it has a safety track. So you can have this record at a lower volume. That way if your volume peaks too high or if something really loud gets recorded, you have a safety track that is way lower so it won't be clipping. So, audio quality, check. And now, here's another favorite feature of mine. You can use this with your mobile device. So, that clean audio you were just hearing, you can have that with your phone. Let's test it out right now. This right here is gonna simply slide on, just like that. So then all you have to do is plug this into the bottom of your phone. So having this feature is really great because it's gonna immediately step up the quality of your videos because you're gonna have great sounding audio on your mobile device. And I would actually put it this way. I would rather be filming all of these videos, all video work that I ever had to do with an iPhone and have good quality sounding audio than have a super high-end cinema camera and poor quality audio. I guarantee the other way, having an iPhone with good audio would give you better quality videos than the other way around. Okay, so here I'm gonna do a take outside. I have it under my hoodie with the magnet. I love that feature so much. This is so inconspicuous, especially with what I'm wearing. But I have it under me with the windscreen since I'm outside. It's a little windy, so that'll be a good test anyway. But the one maybe small drawback is just how big it is in that flashing light, which you can turn off. But putting it under you would be the best option every single time. But yeah, here I am outside using my phone. I could easily vlog with this, make professional videos, no problem. Most people might even think this is a professional camera because of how good the audio sounds. So let me know how this sounds. I think this is a great solution for content creators starting out or people just wanting to get into making videos. So easy. I'm gonna go back inside now because it's like 90 degrees outside. So, I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. If so, give it a thumbs up. So all of the title animations that you saw in this video, past videos, client videos that I show, are all made by Motion VFX. Now this video isn't sponsored by them, but I did want to take a minute to talk about them because I really like their products. They did give me some of these products to test out for free, and I'm hooked. They make a really good product and I use it for all my work. So especially for me, if I come over here to Adobe Premiere and I go to typography, my favorite thing in any type of design work, it's a minimalist, clean approach. I don't like things to be super crazy and detailed. So for example, here's a pack, the M Title Simple Pack 3. It's so easy because you just download it. They have their own installer, which makes it super simple. Then it pops up in Premiere and you're ready to go. And you can see a preview of all of them. This is my favorite pack. I use this probably mostly for all of my stuff. And you just plug in the words and you're good to go. Make a couple of changes if you want, and that's it. But if you're interested in checking out Motion VFX, head to the link in the description right down below. It is an affiliate link. I'll get a little kickback for it. But I've used the products, I like them, and I think you guys will too. And it'll speed up your workflow. Okay, back to the video. And of course you have an accessory for Android as well. And I love that all of this stuff is neatly put in to the box. Which brings me to my last favorite topic, feature, whatever you want to call it, is just the battery life and the charging case that it comes with. This is the charging case, and when you open it, this is everything you have inside. Everything has a spot for it, really nice and easy. And the fact that this charges it after you're done using it, just like AirPods. So if you're not familiar with it, this case itself doesn't just hold everything, it charges your devices as well. Right now it says it has a total of 15.1 hours of recording. And I believe that because I recently did another video shoot where I had two subjects, because you do have two transmitters, I had two subjects mic'd up for about 5 hours, and I still had plenty of battery left. I could have kept going on probably the rest of the day. And then as you can see right now, the case currently has 2 bars, so I need to charge it, and all you have to do is plug it in the back to a USB-C, you're good to go. So honestly, for my first impressions, doing this video shoot with the DJI mic, I have like nothing bad to say about it. Like I said, it made the process so much easier. I was honestly stressing about it before I got this, having to do it with my old setup, how long that would take, hoping that all the audio is being recorded because I can't monitor it. It's on the talent, you know, they're wearing this, so I can't see if it accidentally stopped recording or something, and that would have sucked. So again, having these processes more streamlined, more laid out for you, just let you focus on the story, composition, the important things. So this is definitely going to become my audio solution for all of my client videos, things like that, where I'm on a gimbal, subjects are moving, multiple takes. If I do have a setup where my talent is sitting in a controlled space, they're not going to be really moving, like this YouTube setup, I can have a boom mic. That's still going to be what I'm going to choose to do. But everything else, if I just want to have good quality audio and the flexibility and not worry about it, this is gonna be my go-to. And especially for people that are wanting to get into videos, like maybe beginner content creators or people that aren't even content creators and want to start making videos for their businesses like reels, stories, and things like that, plug this in. You saw how easy it was. Plug it to your phone, put it on, and you're gonna have better sounding audio than everyone else. So needless to say, beyond impressed with it. Definitely recommend.
Hi, welcome to the Katie office of Majestic Title. We are located inside the Dillon CPA building complex, conveniently located near 99 and I-10. In this office, we take care of closings from all around the area, including Houston, Cypress, Fulshire, Katy, Richmond, and beyond. We are happy to see your faces, whether it's closing day or you're just stopping by for a warm cookie. When you arrive at Majestic Title, we want you to feel relaxed and at home.
So that's it for this video, guys. Leave a like if you enjoyed, comment down your thoughts, subscribe if you haven't already. I would love for you guys to be part of the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.